friends that are struggling with dry, irritated skin, you need to make this Calm Skin Roll-On. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils. So let's get started with this month's recipe from our January box. You're gonna wanna grab your January box as well as your big bonus box, and then you're gonna find your recipe that you wanna get started with. We're gonna use juniper berry, relief, and lavender. From your big bonus box, you are gonna grab your almond oil and a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle. Let's get started. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna take out your little roll-on from the top, and then I'm gonna put my funnel in so that I can get my essential oils into my bottle. So the first step is to put 1 drop of juniper berry. Next is 2 drops of relief. And last but not least, we're gonna add 3 drops of lavender. All right, we're gonna just swirl this around a little bit. And then we are going to fill the rest of the bottle up with our almond oil. You wanna fill it to about the neck of the bottle. Take your funnel out. Put your roller ball back in. Swirl it one last time just so that the essential oils and the almond oil are evenly incorporated. Put your lid on, and now we're gonna label it. All right, now that it's labeled, we are all set. You can make this Calm Skin Roll-On too. Let's test it out. We formulated this roll-on to be really great for calming dry skin, and it also can be used for blemishes. Apply it to your dry skin on your face, or an area that has a blemish. Rub it in a little bit and watch the calming effects of the essential oils work on your skin. If you want to turn your natural products into recipes just like this Calm Skin Roll-On, you need the Simply Earth recipe box. It teaches you how to use your natural products and turn them into recipes just like this. Go get yours today.